Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Sparrow Wallet for the cold storage. Sparrow Wallet is one of the best desktop wallet for the secure cold storage because it supports hardware wallet, air gap signaling, PSPT, full node connection and watch only wallet. Here's how to properly use Sparrow Wallet for the cold storages and the cold storage with the hardware wallet. This is the safest and easiest method. First you need to connect your hardware wallet. On the search, open to your Sparrow Wallet there. Over here you can either create a new wallet, open wallet or import, as I'm going to select new wallet here and select create over here. Over here you can connect with the hardware wallet. On the bottom there said connected hardware wallet, select there. Over here you can connect with the air gap or the software wallet, select this connected hardware. And you can also scan. Sparrow will detect your device and import the public keys, and after that apply then create wallet. Now private keys stay inside your hardware wallet. Sparrow act as the interface, and this is cold storage because keys never leave the hardware, and this method uses an offline computer. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I can help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.